So, hello everybody. Once more to show a question a lot of people have been asking: how do you get rid of the Dall E or Dall E 2 watermark in images from OpenAI? Because some people it's a PNG portable network graphics image that comes up, and what a lot of people do is just use, for example, photos, and what I did, I cropped it. As you can see, there is no rainbow image on the bottom, yeah. Whereas if you go to for example this one, actually you cannot see, but there's a rainbow image, there's a watermark, a little rainbow image on the bottom, yeah, which you can see if you upload it to your website. Then the rainbow image will be shown from Dall E, yeah. There you can see it here on the bottom here. You can see it just down here. These, the blue, the red, the green, the turquoise and the yellow in the bottom right corner of the image, yeah. You can see it. You can see it there, yeah. So that is always on, and even if you cropped it, if I crop it in this, like this, I just cropped it out, or even if I did that, yeah, you're still gonna see it once you upload it, even though you've cropped it out, because it's a PNG. So how do you do it? Well, I'm on Windows, so I'll show you what I did. You see, it's a JPEG. So what you do is you open this with, you save it as a JPEG basically, and then you crop it. I did it with Paint, the old Paint, yeah, and you save as a JPEG picture, which I did with a rotten taco, as a rotten taco and a fresh one. And as you can see, I have here rotten taco and a fresh one. That's the Dall E image. You cannot, I cropped it using Microsoft Photos. You cannot see down here that, yeah. But if I upload it to a website, which I just did, in the bottom corner, it doesn't matter how much you crop it, in the bottom corner you will always see that. So what I did was converted it to a JPEG. And for good SEO, I'll just show you as well. When you make your JPEG, I then gave it a name, a subject, star rating, tags. You can give it comments if you want, yeah. The copyright, myself and OpenAI. Image ID I can't. You can put here if you want. Some of this, you can put the ISO speed, the name of the camera, yeah, the lens maker. You could put Nikon. So you can actually change the metadata here, but that's not very good. I wouldn't do that. But here is good. Good taco, bad taco, good SEO, search engine optimization, because that's what it's about. And then you apply it, yeah, and you've made it your own, yeah. So what I could do then is to upload the file to a rotten taco and a fresh one. And let's see if the watermark is still visible, because it was on the last one. Nope, it's no longer visible, yeah. Don't want that one in there. I did the same with that as a JPEG. That wasn't from Dall E actually, that was from Stable Diffusion. So how to get rid of the watermark on Dall E is use Paint or whatever app you've got to take that out, that whatever app you've got to change it to a JPEG. Save it as a JPEG and then crop out, or use Photoshop to black out or color out the watermark, yeah. And there you go. And as well, if it's a JPEG and you save it as a copy as a JPEG, as stated, you can use the properties of the image to go to details and add your own title, subject, rating and tags, which, believe me, once you've uploaded it, Google search will read the metadata. Yeah, so there you go. That's how to get rid of the watermark in Dall E, yeah, which you will see in almost all Dall E. Well, you will not see in almost all. You will see in all Dall E images. Yeah. For example, here you can see on the bottom. And if you crop that, if I crop that as a PNG, which you can see here is a PNG, Portable Network Graphics. If I crop that out, and I think it's invisible, and I upload it to my website, it's still going to be visible because the metadata of the Portable Network Graphics allows you to keep that watermark. Yeah, so there you go. What the heck happened here? So there you go. That's how to do it. Yeah, that's how to do it. You change the PNG, open it, save it as a separate JPEG, and then crop it. And if you want, if you've got Windows, you can't do it on a Mac. You can't change the details. You can in Photoshop. So you either crop it or you use Photoshop to paint out the watermark as a JPG, and you got rid of the Dall E 2 watermark, and that's it. So, I'm John Spencer, otherwise known on this channel as the Webmaster, signing off.